Hi there, welcome to my video on how to turn your passion into profit on YouTube in 2021. In a moment, I'm going to show you how you can place your product in front of the perfect audience that are looking for what you have to sell. But for now, let's get into the video. Now, there's a saying that the profit's in the passion. You know, if you can find something you love, you'll never work a day in your life, so forth and so on. That's somewhat true, but the fact of the matter is, passion means that people are actually adamant about this specific subject or niche. So that means there's a group of people that are dedicated to it. You can find it all over the place. There's Star Wars fans that have been Star Wars fans for years, and they're still buying merchandise until this very day. So if one was to be passionate about Star Wars, being able to sell mugs or affiliate products to that group means that they would definitely buy from you. So this is why passion niches are so great, because the audience that's attached to those passions are really into it to the point they're willing to place their money where their passion is. And that's where you come in. But in order for you to be successful turning your passion into profit, you have to go through a sequence of events. So number one, you have to do your research. Is there an audience related to my passion? How do you do this? Well, the first thing you want to do is probably do something as simple as a Google search, but you want to do this a bit differently. Now, there's a Chrome add-on called Keywords Everywhere. It's really good. I mean, it's a paid add-on, but I mean, $10 will get you at least like 100,000 searches, so it's more than enough. But what you would do, let's say that I'm passionate about dogs, and I wanted to think, let me try dog training, for example. So I would type in dog training. Now, what Keywords Everywhere will do is it will give you the amount of people that are actually searching for that topic on the top left. So that's 201,000 people a month that are searching for dog training. So it's safe to say that this is something that people are passionate about. I mean, it's costing $2.39 for these people to click on, for these people to advertise, right? And this is in the UK, by the way. So it might be different where you are. But essentially, this is a big number, which means this is a big audience. And if you scroll down, you see a couple of videos on the first page, and this is eventually where you want to end up. But essentially, you know that there's people looking for dog training material. So if you can now figure out how you can speak to that audience, you're going to be at a big advantage. So the first thing is, you know there's an audience that is passionate about dog training. And you know what they're looking for, dog training. Their dogs are problematic. Can you break that problem down into multiple videos, you know? And if that's the case, how can you help them? Can you find a product that helps them? Now, obviously, building a product yourself can be quite expensive and whatnot, but that's why I suggest affiliate marketing right here, because, you know, you can find a product for anything. There's no upfront costs. There's no delivery costs. You don't have to handle customer service. All you have to do is pair the passion with the affiliate product. So if you're looking for a dog training affiliate product, I would head over to ClickBank, right? So let's put in dogs. Let's put in dog and see what comes. Here you go, dog training for dogs. And they're willing to pay you $31.60 per sell, per conversion. And if you click on that, what you're going to do, let me just go directly to the website. There you go. This is their landing page, right? Develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. So if I've got a dog and I'm thinking he needs or she needs a little bit of structure and discipline, I'm going to like this product, especially if you suggest it to me. So what you would do is say, all right, now I know my passion. I've got the product for my passion. What's next? Now you have to create content, right? You're going to create your YouTube video. Now, your YouTube video is going to be about, your YouTube channel will more likely be around dogs because that's what you're passionate about. It can be for anything else, but in this instance, we're talking about dogs. So you are going to create a dog channel. Now, in this channel, you are going to now look and see what are the different topics that I can talk about, because you want to address the problems and promote the product. So yes, you can go ahead and promote the product directly, but you can also answer some questions about dog training and then give this as the solution. So what's the key here? The key is to make videos giving value around the topic before you promote the affiliate product. Nobody likes to be sold to. Everybody wants answers to their problems. And if you can help provide this, you will build know, like, and trust. So then you can create products around the video and tell viewers to purchase via your link. Now you can do extra stuff like find products or bonuses to give away to incentivize the purchase, which will definitely help, but you also want to capture these people. You don't want to direct link them to the offer, because once the vendor gets the sell, they'll pay you for the customer, but you don't necessarily have them on your own personal database. So you want to make a landing page that can capture emails. So I've done a quick example. I've made this landing page because I've made it to have a bit of continuity with the actual product. So if you look here, let's just put them side by side. So this is the product landing page. And what I've done, I've taken inspiration and I've created my own landing page. And this is what the landing page looks like. In this instance, what you would do is you'd click that and then you'd get a pop-up, and that pop-up would be where they can put their emails in. But you can see how it just naturally blends in, right? It's very similar. You want to do something like that so there's some consistency with the messaging, right? They know what they're getting before they get there. And that's the key here. So now you've got your passion, which is dog training. You've asked the right questions. You've put together some solid research, because now you know exactly there's an audience that you can serve, right? You've matched your passion with an affiliate product that helps your audience with their problem. And now you've created videos around the topic to address those problems whilst promoting the affiliate product that you've selected. And now you've put yourself in a position to turn your passion into profit. However, the whole point of this whole process is to get people to see your actual video. You want to be seen on the first page with volume such as this or volume such as this. You could be giving tips, dog training tips. And within the video, you give a couple of tips and then you suggest the training at the end. You can do this all day long. All you have to do is take action. You don't even have to show your face to make this work. You can go over to Vidnami and literally create a video about dog training in seconds. Let me show you an example. So let's say we chose this template. What looks like a good, yellow looks. So let's say we chose this template right here. Use template. Let's just quickly grab some random text, 10 training tips. Place that in this script right there. We'll figure it out. And let's say create scenes. I want to show you how easy this is. You've picked your passion, now you're creating your videos. If you don't want to actually be in front of the camera, you can do this. It's create the scene straight away. Let me just correct that. Maybe pull it to the left. All right, so let's just say I like what I see. Move down. See, this is an actual trial period, so I don't get access to the voices, but normally you do. You can get speech over your video from someone like Harvey, a voice like Harvey, which sounds like this. Okay, sample not available. Okay. I've got trial access here, so I don't have access to certain voices, but essentially you can add voiceovers, automated voiceovers on it. But let's just say we're not doing none of that. Say preview your video. As you can see now, it's generating the scenes and the videos. It's putting them together. All you did was put text into this system, and this system is going to generate your video, just to show you how much you do not need to do. You can knock these out, literally. You can knock out probably 5 or 10 in 20 minutes. And there you've got a 3-minute video. Let's press play just to get an idea. See guys, this is a high quality video related to the niche. It makes sense. If you're a dog lover, this is going to be a very enjoyable video. I mean, who doesn't like seeing puppies run around? It's all cute, you know? So once again, everything is consistent with the text that you actually put in. This might be a bit off, but then you go to the scenes and you make corrections where you need to make corrections. However, essentially it gets it right all the way through. So guys and girls, there's literally no excuse. All you have to do is take action to turn your passion into profits. And once you've done that, you want to get eyeballs on whatever you've created. You want to get people viewing it. You want to get that Google love. And that's for getting free billboard ads on the front page of Google. So you want your video to be on the front page so that you get more opt-ins, you build a strong email list, and you make more sales, right? This is the process here. You want to make more sales at the end of the day, but you also want to build an audience so you can actually promote more affiliate products to this passionate niche. And this is how you're going to end up scaling your business. I mean, currently right now, there's free training available if you'd like to take a look at that. I'll put it in the description or tag it to the first comment. And when I say that it's turning over such a high opt-in rate, a high open rate, and I'm talking 50% here, guys, like it's incredible. And not to mention the 50% conversion rate. But for now, I think you've got enough to really, really consider turning your passion into profit. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because we have so many more videos coming. And in the next video, we're going to talk about 5 benefits of using YouTube for your business.